Once upon a time, in a small village in India, there were five girls and five boys who were the best of friends. They played together every day, exploring the fields and forests that surrounded their village. Each year, they eagerly awaited the arrival of two of their favorite festivals: Holi, the festival of colors, and Eid, the celebration that marked the end of Ramadan. Holi was a time of joy and laughter, where everyone came together to throw vibrant colored powders at each other and dance to lively music. The five girls and five boys would spend hours painting each other with colors, laughing and chasing each other through the streets of their village. It was a time of celebration and unity as everyone put aside their differences and came together in a spirit of love and friendship. Eid, on the other hand, was a time of reflection and prayer for the Muslim community in the village. The five boys were Muslim and they would fast during the holy month of Ramadan before breaking their fast with a large feast on Eid. The girls, who were Hindu, would join in the festivities, sharing in the delicious food and sweet treats that were prepared for the occasion. As the years went by, the bonds of friendship between the five girls and five boys only grew stronger. They shared their hopes and dreams with each other, supporting each other through the ups and downs of life in the village. And as they grew older, they began to realize that their feelings for each other went beyond friendship. One day, during the festivities of Holi, the eldest boy, Ali, took the hand of the eldest girl, Meera, and whispered his love for her. Meera's heart skipped a beat and she knew that she felt the same way. The other girls and boys watched in awe as Ali and Meera embraced, their love shining as brightly as the colors that surrounded them. The other boys were inspired by Ali's bold move, and one by one they each confessed their loves for the girls. The girls, in turn, admitted their feelings for the boys, and soon all five couples were happily in love. The village cheered and congratulated the young couples, happy to see love blossoming among their children. As Eid approached, the village was filled with excitement and anticipation for the upcoming celebrations. The girls and boys worked together to prepare for the feast, cooking delicious dishes and decorating the village square with colorful lanterns. The air was filled with the sound of laughter and music as everyone eagerly awaited the arrival of the special day. On the day of Eid, the village came alive with the sounds of prayers and festivities. The boys and girls, dressed in their finest clothes, their faces glowing with happiness and love. Ali and Meera led the way, their hands intertwined as they walked to the mosque for the Eid prayer. After the prayers were offered, the villagers gathered in the village square for the grand feast. The girls and boys sat together, sharing plates of biryani, samosas, and sweets, their hearts full of joy and love. As the sun began to set, they danced together under the starlit sky, celebrating the bonds of friendship and love that united them all. As the night drew to a close, the girls and boys knew that their love would always keep them together, no matter what challenges or obstacles they faced. The village elders looked on with pride, knowing that the bonds of friendship and love among the young couples would continue to grow and strengthen for years to come. And so, the village of Holi and Eid remained a place of joy, laughter, and love, where the colors of Holi and the spirit of Eid blended together to create a beautiful tapestry of unity and harmony. The five girls and five boys knew that their love story was just beginning, and they looked forward to the future with hope and excitement, knowing that their love would always endure, just like the festivals of Holi and Eid.